Utari wa rais Kirimanti yegia Kyoto kia muntu muka HARRIET CHIGGAI nende na kwenda Makarika ya Uragani bwari na KUMAKIRA Gutanganira na yontoti orakumbika ariuga au tukinyete ya kanende goti mantu ya kwedera gitabo ya na KUMAKIRA nende bari gwatini ponene akiwa kwena obatukinya wa kwedera kwena mwadho yote deria kukaria EKURU. Mutari wa rais Kirimanti yegia kiozo kia EKURU HARRIET CHIGGAI na uwete Antoni babatere kwedera nende bakirutaniria na gukarania kwa kwi kenda kuro na Makarika yara yakoneka EKURU KUURAGWA ontuko.
Government eye is not everywhere. Even as we are saying, this issue of GBV and murders that are going on is actually a big problem in government, something that we need to work on, noting that matters criminal, matters health, femicide is actually a national security issue. We've heard it from the Ambassador, Monica Juma.
CHIGGAI awete kulingana na ripoti ya DCI EKURU 97 ni baro indeni ya mihiri 3 mithiru na bu ni umwe na mwekuru mwekura ontuko ontunende wete na batire ukinyamudhia.
The reports from DCI says in the last 3 months we've lost about 97 women. That means a woman has been killed every day. A young girl has been murdered every single day. And while we think it's far off, it's as closer to us to our own households.
Antonia kie Gladys Sholei na ugete kwena batu bwa kinya kwedera kwena njira inge cha gukiria kuru kenda utigera kinyapo neba kombana uturone.
To also create, lastly, to create more spaces where women can thrive and build their confidence. And I'm proud to say that recently, myself and Naomi Wako and many other women, we've started our own Wezesha Mama Inua Jamii, where we are going from county to county. And the issue was, we said, if we go to other political rallies, you won't get a chance to speak. And you won't get any airtime. You'll be told, stand up and wave. Isn't it? So we said we are going to create our own rallies, our own meetings, where we can talk until the gods come home.
Na wetana mbere na kuwa kinyandwangi cha THIRIKARI ni batire kwedera ikiandika wawerune ire itiote EKURU kenda Kenya bachimenya.
As your office, Honorable HARRIET, I'd like you to prepare a list of shame. And what we do is we make a list of all state corporations. How many women law firms have they given work and are on their panel? I want not just put them on the panel, because they put them on the panel just for notes. How many briefs have they given women law firms? I want us to look at all the state corporations, make another list of shame.
Na akiaria Ambassador Monica Juma nethirite akiara kiontopu akiwa kiri mitandao ya kinende nethina kiri EKURU na kwina bata ya kwethira kwina mawatho yotira ne baukarua.
But we are also having another trend that is worrisome and that we must pay attention to. The growing militarization, the growing military spending, the undermining of gender equality, the technological advancement. I mean, the cyberspace has become one of the most horrendous space for the abuse of women, you know. And because we are running behind it in terms of policy and regulation, it is something we must pay attention. And because industry and the private sector is ahead in terms of this area, it is important that we pay attention to an area that is supposed to be enabling, but that has equal measure of abuse and violence against women and the girls and children, so to speak.